y'all, what's going on? I am here to do a real fast what's in my bag, and this is the Coach Nolita 19, and I actually just carried this bag today. I went to a outside wedding, and I was like, well, let me just take just a little small bag, because I wasn't going to take a bag at all. I was like, let me take this find just a small bag. So I end up getting my black Coach Nolita with the gold hardware, and this actually is my first time using this. So here it is, and it was just the right amount of space that I need for that event. And I have this little it's like a little lady with a little, she has a little purse hanging right here. I got this from Etsy, and I also have another one that's it has a brown little dress or whatever, but I thought that was so cute, and I had never used this, so I was like, let me put this on there. See, she got her little heels. I don't know if y'all can see it that good. So cute. So anyway, I have that on there. So let me show you what's in here really fast. So here's how it's looking. First, on this first little pocket right here, I have just two wipes, body cleansing wipes, and then I have this comb, and then I have a hair tie, and that's all that I have right here in this pocket. And then in the middle, I have some tissue. I have my AirPods. Then I have just a little small hand sanitizer spray. And then I have my cell phone. Then I have just some fingernail clippers. And I have some shea butter lotion from Bath and Body Works. And this is just the tag or whatever. And that's it on that side. And then on this side, it has two card slots, because as you can tell, I didn't have a wallet in here, and I was like, well, they got these two card slots, so to save space, I just put my driver license here, and then I just had my one little debit card, just in case I stopped by the store or something like that on the way home. So y'all, that is it. So like I said, it was just an outside wedding, and I was just like, well, what can I put in here, you know, for that event. So everything worked out fine, and there that is. Close that, and here it is. So just want to show you guys that really fast, and it holds quite a bit. So you can either, I actually held it, I carried it like this, but you can also just have it right here and just carry it like that. So, but I just carried it the other way. And you can also put a longer chain on here and wear this crossbody as well. So that is it, you guys. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.